In the maintenance world, we rely on specialized systems to monitor conditions, plan maintenance, track telematics, assess risk, and measure overall system health. With all of these systems tracking different maintenance activities, it's easy to get overwhelmed. What if there was a solution to connect your fluid analysis data with other machine health data so you can assess risks all in one place? There is. Meet Horizon Connect. Through a secure API integration, Horizon Connect syncs information back and forth from Horizon to your own system, whether it be a CMMS, ERP, or EAM. Even integrate with data analytics programs like Power BI to make better data-driven decisions. View reports, submit work orders, manage equipment, and register samples all within one system. Not ready to integrate with Horizon on your own? Meet our integrated partners. We've teamed up with reliability providers to build custom integrations that can help you connect your maintenance data. Whichever solution works for your business, we're here to help. Gain a clear path to making strategic decisions, eliminate the hassle of multiple logins, alleviate confusion among your team, and see a complete picture of asset health with Horizon Connect.